Open up, open up. Who are we? We're the IRS, and you owe us money. A lot of money in back taxes. But maybe we could work out a deal, like you could pay it off in, let's say, gift cards.
Hold on! That is a red flag. And so is this.
This call is officially a final notice from IRS, Internal Revenue Services. The reason of this call is to inform you that IRS is filing lawsuit against you.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute! It doesn't work that way.
The truth is, the IRS's first contact with you will always be a letter in the mail. It's not a phone call, email, or text message.
When an IRS scammer contacts you, they'll try and push you into making a quick decision.
They'll say that you owe them money and that it's urgent, that you have to pay it, or you will, be fined more money, or face charges or things of that nature, and really try to scare you. And then you give them all your personal information and financial information as quickly as possible to try to get it resolved.
Another red flag? They'll insist you pay with a prepaid debit card, a wire transfer, or a cashier's check.
They're untraceable and non-reversible, which is why scammers like to use those forms and get you to pay in those forms, because once you realize it's a scam, there's not really much you can do about it.
And then there are those shady, fly-by-night tax preparers who only pop up during tax season.
You get somebody who says, I can do you a great deal, I can get you an excellent refund. Should you trust somebody like that?
A tax preparer who's promising you any form of great deal as far as your returns go is a red flag. You definitely don't want to trust someone who's promising you anything as far as returns go, because they don't know, and they cannot promise you any amount of money.
It's pretty easy to tell if your tax preparer is legit because they all have to be registered with the IRS. In fact, the agency uses this webpage to display their credentials as well as qualifications. Use this link to access that page. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Frazier.